Namaste dosto, welcome to another assembly and an unboxing video. This time I have brought you two very large doublet refractor telescopes. One of them is the Explore Scientific 127mm with a 1200mm focal length doublet refractor telescope, and the other one is the Explore Scientific 102 with a 663mm focal length doublet AR refractor telescope. We will open and unbox both these telescopes, and we will mount both these telescopes on the Explore Scientific Twilight 2 AZ mount and the tripod, and I will show you the entire assembly and setup. Stick to the end. I will explain to you all the accessories that come with both these telescopes, and I will also explain to you the aftermarket accessories that you can buy with both these telescopes. So let's begin with the unboxing of both these telescopes. My name is Darshil Patel from Tejas & Company. My WhatsApp number is 9833974700 and my website address is www.tejas.com. Let's begin with the unboxing. Khulja Simpson Explore Scientific 127 by 1200mm के बॉक्स के अंदर से निकला है ये लंबा टेलीस्कोप ट्यूब. दिस इज अ डबलेट रिफ्रैक्टर टेलीस्कोप. Here is a 127mm aperture doublet lens. It is top quality telescope, but it's pretty big and heavy. उसके साथ आपको आता है एक सेल फोन अडेप्टर जो टेलीस्कोप के साथ आता है. A mirror star diagonal 1.25 inch. You get two eyepieces. One is a Plössl 25mm eyepiece and one is a Plössl 10mm eyepiece. Along with that, you get a 3x Barlow. Now this is not a high quality Barlow. This is a plastic body Barlow क्योंकि आपको ये telescope free आता है. Then you get a red dot finder scope. You get two extension rings. One is of approximately 32 or 33mm diameter. 32mm length extension rings, and the other one is a 25mm extension ring. And you get a step down adapter. Step down adapter से आप 1.25 inch की accessories fit कर सकते हो. Now I will now unbox the Twilight 2 AZ mount and the tripod. Twilight 2 mount के बॉक्स के अंदर से निकली इतनी सारी चीजें. Now let me explain to you what has come out of the Twilight box. First of all, a very heavy duty stainless steel tripod. It is a height adjustable tripod. It is robust and it can easily take the load of both the Explore Scientific 127 and the Explore Scientific 102 AR doublet refractor telescope. Then comes a mount. इसका robust quality mount है, very good quality, superb quality AZ mount. It comes with two slow motion gearing shafts. The two slow motion gearing knobs will allow you to move the telescope in a slow motion left, right and up down axis without touching the telescope. Then comes its screws and nuts and bolts. A very robust metal accessories tray that locks right into the shaft. This particular shaft locks this AZ mount directly onto the tripod from underneath. Now let's begin with the assembly. ट्राइपॉड लेग को मैंने पूरा खोल दिया है, फुल हाइट पे मैंने सेटअप कर दिया है. रिमेंबर दोस्तों, ये जो स्क्रू है, ये जो लॉकिंग हाइट एडजस्टेबल जो ट्राइपॉड लेग्स के जो स्क्रूज है ना, डू नॉट ओवर टाइटन दी स्क्रूज. इसको जितना जरूरत है उतना ही टाइट करना. ज़्यादा ओवर टाइटन करने से ये टूटेगा, ये प्लास्टिक पार्ट टूटेगा. लेट्स टेक द शाफ्ट फर्स्ट. शाफ्ट लेने के बाद टेक योर एक्सेसरीज ट्रे का ये जो पार्ट है ना, जो नॉर्मली व्हेन यू होल्ड द एक्सेसरीज ट्रे यू वुड बिलीव दैट ये जो पार्ट है, ये जो शेप है, ये शेप ऊपर की तरफ आएगा, पर नहीं, इट विल गो अपसाइड डाउन. इसको नीचे डालिए. नाउ यहाँ पे दो छोटे से एक स्पेसर दिया है और एक क्लिप दिया है. ये दीज टू आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द ट्राइपॉड सिस्टम. ये स्पेसर को लीजिए और यहाँ पे ऊपर स्लाइड करिए और ये क्लिप लीजिए. ना ये क्लिप का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है मैं आपको आगे समझाता हूँ. पहले ये होल के अंदर डाल दीजिए. ये आपका शाफ्ट माउंट के ट्राइपॉड के माउंट हेड के ऊपर आ गया, आपके हेड के ऊपर आ गया. ये क्लिप लीजिए और ये क्लिप को इसके अंदर आपको प्रेस फिट करना है. हाँ, हो गया, मैंने हाथ से कर दिया है. अब ये क्लिप का फायदा ये है that now when I release the shaft, it will stay right over there. There is no need for me to hold the shaft anymore. Once this is in place, ये आपका एक बार सेटअप हो गया. Now you can directly take your mount. ये माउंट के ऊपर यहाँ पे एक स्लॉट है. टेक दिस स्लॉट और ये माउंट हेड, ये ट्राइपॉड हेड के ऊपर यू सी दिस प्रोट्रूडिंग पार्ट ओवर हियर. ये पार्ट, ये जो लोखंड का पार्ट जो बाहर आ रहा है, ये स्लॉट के अंदर स्लाइड हो जाएगा. अब टेक योर shaft and start rotating it inside and start locking it. It is firmly locked. Now I have to raise the height of the tripod tray, of the accessories tray, and lock it with the tripod. इसको रेज करिए, यहाँ पे लॉक करिए और ये जो नट है ना, इसको रोटेट करिए. हो गया. Your AZ mount is ready and very firm and sturdy. Now आपके AZ mount के ऊपर के स्क्रूज को लूज कर देता हूँ ताकि ये जो आपका एरिया है, ये जो आपका पार्ट है, इसको रिलीज, इसको पूरा खोल देते, so that your telescope tubes dovetail plate can slide inside. One more very important part about this AZ mount is that it is an adjustable angled AZ mount, which means that not only can you assemble this entire AZ mount in a vertical position, but ये जो पूरा mount है, you can even tilt it this way and the other way. How can you do that? यहाँ पे 2 screws दिए हुए हैं. With an Allen key, you can unlock these screws और ये बाकी के जो ये 4 holes है ना, you can flip it from these 2. ये जो 2 screw है, इसको निकालिए और इसको ये 2 screw में लॉक करिए, या फिर इसको निकाल के इसको ये 2 screw में लॉक करिए. So the angle of the entire AZ mount will change from this angle to that angle. I take the gearing shafts. Gearing shafts को खोलिए, इसका screw खोलिए. ये जो ब्रास का मेटल पार्ट दिया है, जो शाफ्ट दिया है, ये शाफ्ट में देखो यहाँ पे there is a slot है, there is a flat slot. वो flat slot में आपका ये लॉक यहाँ पे होना चाहिए. Perfect locking is very very important. Moving on to the second shaft. दूसरा शाफ्ट लीजिए. इसका भी मैंने होल क्लियर कर दिया है. ये ऊपर की तरफ एक और ब्रास का प्रोट्रूडिंग पार्ट दिया है, मेटल पार्ट दिया है. उसके ऊपर का जो फ्लैट सर्फेस है, वो फ्लैट सर्फेस में आपका ये स्क्रू लॉक होना चाहिए. अब देखिए, can you see it rotating? Can you see it moving? This is your vertical axis of your telescope and this is your horizontal axis, your left and right axis. We are done. बाकी अभी ये 2 screws है, ये 2 screws को यहाँ पे फिट करना है. ये देखिए, there is a hole over here. ये hole के अंदर आपका ये screw लॉक हो जाएगा. What is this used for? This is basically used, these screws are basically for locking and tightening this AZ mount. इसका जो movement है ना, इसको control करने के लिए आपको कितना stiffness चाहिए, कितना stiffness नहीं चाहिए. The AZ mount is now completely assembled. अब करते हैं Explore Scientific 127 और Explore Scientific AR102 को इसके ऊपर mount. Let's start with the Explore Scientific 127 by 1200. I have the Explore Scientific 127 tube in front of me. I will now be mounting it directly on the toilet AZ mount. इसको mount करने से पहले मैं इसका angle change कर देता हूँ. You can change the angle of the entire AZ mount. I'm changing it for your benefit. And once you change the angle, you can then lock it from here. ये मेरा lock कर दिया है. Done. Now take your telescope tube. Before you mount it, always remember friends, you have to get your center balance of your telescope. Any telescope, ये हो या कोई भी और हो, आपको इसका center of gravity ढूंढना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Take your telescope tube, इसका जो हैंडल है, हैंडल से पूरे टेलीस्कोप को उठाइए. अब तो नेचुरली जो पोजीशन में बॉक्स से निकला है, वही पोजीशन का इसका नेचुरल जीरो बैलेंस आ रहा है. जस्ट इन केस अगर नहीं आया, समझो कि आपने जब ट्यूब उठाया और अगर ये तरफ अगर बैलेंस ज़्यादा जा रहा है, देन यू शिफ्ट, ये जो क्लैंप है ना, क्लैंप को अनलॉक करिए और क्लैंप को आगे भी शिफ्ट करिए, सो दैट व्हेन यू लिफ्ट इट अप यू गेट अ परफेक्ट जीरो बैलेंस. ये बाजू और ये बाजू दोनों का वजन सही का हो. नाउ टेक योर एंटायर टेलीस्कोप ट्यूब. ये आपका डवटेल प्लेट के ऊपर यू सी दिस मेटल पार्ट ओवर हियर. ये मेटल पार्ट क्यों दिया हुआ है? ये मेटल पार्ट इसलिए दिया हुआ है ताकि जब आप ये माउंट, ये AZ माउंट के ऊपर जब ये लॉक करो ना, व्हेन दीज टू स्क्रूज गो इनसाइड एंड लॉक दिस ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर डवटेल प्लेट, आपका ये एल्यूमिनियम का जो पार्ट है ना, उसमें डैमेज ना हो, उसमें होल्स और स्क्रैचेस ना हो. इसकी वजह से एक्सप्लोर साइंटिफिक ने आपको ये मेटल प्लेट दिया हुआ है. लेट्स टेक ए ट्यूब, डायरेक्टली स्लाइड फिट. It is now firmly locked and it is perfectly balanced. There you go. Telescope tube are mounted on the toilet AZ mount. ये जो shaft है, ये shaft मैंने अपनी तरफ ले लिया है. ये जो पूरा AZ एंगल है मैंने इसको टिल्ट कर दिया है. Why have I tilted it? मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया वीडियो में. The reason why I have to tilt it, I mean this is an adjustable AZ angle, so the reason why I've tilted it so that when I move the telescope in a vertical direction, it can go all the way straight up. If you want to do daytime terrestrial observation, and if you want to go further down, for example, if you're living in a high-rise building and you want to look down, if you're living on the 40th floor, 50th floor, और आपको नीचे देखना है, तो ये देखिए, when I go down, it is उसका लिमिट खाली यहीं तक है. Then what you can do, ये जो AZ एंगल अभी ये एंगल में ना, you can again make it straight. Once you make it straight, ये टेलीस्कोप और नीचे जा सकता है. Okay? Now coming on to the finder shoe, you get a red dot finder with this particular telescope. Take your finder shoe, directly slide it here, और यहाँ पे 2 screws दिए हैं, इसको लॉक करिए साइड से. Finder shoe attached. Remove the dust cap. Take your 2-inch step down adapter. हल्का सा लॉक करिए साइड से. Take your diagonal, insert your diagonal inside. Again, slightly lock it. Now take your eyepiece, directly fit it on top of the diagonal, and you are now good to go. This is your focusing mechanism. You can directly point your telescope to a particular object in the sky or an object on a terrestrial object. Peep inside, point, aim and focus. This is how you focus. ये front back से focusing होता है. इसका देखिए focusing knob, इसका focusing mechanism इतना बाहर आता है. Now there are times where you may need the focus further back. When do you need the focus further back? When your object is very close to the telescope, then the focus goes out. When your object is further away, for example stars and planets and moon, they are far away, right? तो आपका focus अंदर जाएगा. पर जब आप डे टाइम ऑब्जेक्ट देख रहे हो, मे बी मून या मे बी आप जब कोई क्लोज डिस्टेंस डे टाइम ऑब्जेक्ट देख रहे हो ना, तो आपका फोकस पूरा बाहर जाएगा. पर ये तो यहीं पे अटक गया, आपको और बाहर लेना है इसको. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको? अनलॉक, सॉरी, फोकस डायगोनल निकाल देते हैं. ये जो पूरा पार्ट है ना, इसको रोटेट करिए. ये पूरा पार्ट मैंने निकाल दिया. टेक योर एक्सटेंशन रिंग्स. You can choose whether you want to use just one extension rings or both in combination. Right now I'll show you how to use the extension rings both in combination. Take your extension rings directly यहाँ पे fit in कर दीजिए. देखिए फोकसर लंबा हुआ. अब या तो फिर आप डायरेक्टली इसको लॉक कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, या फिर अगर और लंबा चाहिए, then take the second ring, fit it here. Take your block and again refit it here. अब आपका फोकसर कितना लंबा हो गया? Take your diagonal, 1.25 inch, fit it inside. This becomes a long focuser now, a long focuser with added extension rings. Now coming on to the magnification power, you are getting 2 eyepieces. One is a 25 mm Plössl eyepiece, the other is a 10 mm Plössl eyepiece. Let's calculate the magnification power. 1200 mm focal length divided by a 25 mm eyepiece, you get 48x. Let's assume you get 50x. Second eyepiece, 1200 mm divided by the 10 mm eyepiece, that gives you 120x. 50x or 120x. You can triple the magnification of both these eyepieces by using this standard Barlow that is provided with the telescope. ये achromatic, ये this is not a high quality achromatic Barlow, so I would definitely recommend you because telescope इतना अच्छा है, telescope quality is superb, but the Barlow is not good quality, so please I would recommend buy a good quality 2x Barlow or a 2.5x Barlow. You can even go for a 3x Barlow in this case. Why 3x? क्योंकि your aperture allows you to go for a 3x Barlow. A 127 aperture is not considered as a small refractor, so not a small telescope, it is a very large telescope. So you can easily go for a 3x Barlow. Now 120x का ये जो 10 mm का eyepiece में आपको 120x मिल रहा था, into 3 कर दीजिए, आपको मिलेगा 360x. This becomes the maximum practical power of this particular telescope. 360x is more than enough for you to magnify into planets. You can magnify onto the moon's surface. You can see moon craters very nicely. You can see the geographic formations of the craters and everything. You can attach a solar filter in the front, and you can even see the sun spots. You can see Mercury, Venus transit, and you can see solar eclipse whenever there's an eclipse in your country or your city. Now, coming on to the accessories. मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि ये टेलीस्कोप में 2 इंच का फोकसर आता है which allows you to attach 2 inch accessories. I will now remove the 1.25 inch diagonal and attach 2 inch accessories and show it to you. Let's remove the diagonal. मैंने eyepiece और diagonal निकाल दिया. Remove the step down adapter. In this case, I have a GSO 2 inch mirror star diagonal. I can directly take a 2 inch large mirror star diagonal and fit it directly onto the telescope. This becomes a 2 inch accessory fitted on the telescope. Let me just give you a hint of what a 2 inch diagonal looks like. ये आपका 1.25 inch का diagonal. Can you see this? Now look at this. Can you make out the difference between the 1.25 inch and a 2 inch diagonal? Imagine the amount of light, all the light that the front lens is gathering is getting wasted in a 1.25 inch mirror star diagonal. But if you get that 2 inch diagonal, you can get the brightest possible views of deep space objects, galaxies, clusters, nebulae, moon craters, everything. Even planets will be more brighter and sharper. On a 2 inch diagonal, you can easily attach a 2 inch eyepiece and a 2 inch Barlow. सैंपल के तौर पे मेरे पास GSO का 2 इंच का eyepiece है. This is a 42 mm eyepiece. I can directly fit it here. Now see what happens when I'm adding all these accessories. There is more weight on this side. अभी तो मैंने Barlow भी add नहीं किया है. Let me add the Barlow also. Then we rebalance the telescope. ये मेरा 2 इंच का eyepiece. I can double the magnification of 2 inch eyepieces and 1.25 inch eyepieces all with this Barlow. Say for example you have the 2 inch accessories, you have the 2 inch Barlow also, and in the high magnification eyepiece category, they are always 1.25 inch. It is very much possible that your 1.25 inch eyepieces can easily fit into a 2 inch diagonal and a 2 inch Barlow. All you have to do is आपको जो पहले जो step down adapter था ना, take your step down adapter back, fit it here. You can again take your eyepiece and fit it here. ये आपका eyepiece चले गया. I have now shown you how to attach a 2 inch diagonal to this telescope, a 2 inch Barlow and a 1.25 inch eyepiece. I can remove the 1.25 inch eyepiece. I can even use a 2 inch eyepiece on top. Now coming on to balancing, there is excessive load here. All I have to do is I can unlock the tube clamps and move the telescope a little forward. हो गया, done. This is all about the Explorer Scientific 127 by 1200. Now let me show you the Explorer Scientific 102 AR doublet refractor mounted on the same twilight mount. Let's begin. Explorer Scientific 102 663 mm focal length के टेलीस्कोप के बॉक्स के अंदर से निकला है ये टेलीस्कोप का ट्यूब. This is a 102 mm diameter lens telescope doublet. This is a semi-professional telescope. What you saw earlier, the Explorer Scientific 127 is not considered a professional or a semi-professional telescope. It is a pure amateur telescope, but in a large aperture format where you can enjoy views of the night sky. With this telescope, not only can you enjoy the views of the night sky, but you can also use it for amateur level astrophotography. Now, along with the telescope tube, you are even getting these tube clamps along with a black color dovetail plate. You get a finder bracket. Now in this telescope, since this is, I said earlier that this is a semi-professional telescope, in the professional series range of telescopes, red dot finders are usually avoided by all brands. Explorer Scientific is giving you a very high quality achromatic finder. This is an 8 by 50. This is the 50 mm lens, achromatic lens diameter finder scope. It is a crosswire finder scope. Yes, it's a crosswire finder scope. And in the earlier model, you were getting a 1.25 inch standard mirror star diagonal. Explorer Scientific is giving you an enhanced 99% reflectivity 2 inch mirror star diagonal. 2 inch mirror star diagonal. उसमें Explorer Scientific 127 में you have to buy it separately. इसमें आपको अलग से खरीदने की जरूरत नहीं है. They are already giving you a very high quality 2 inch diagonal. Unfortunately, Explorer Scientific is not giving you not a single eyepiece with this telescope because this is a professional telescope. Professional telescopes में कभी भी eyepieces, Barlow ये सब free नहीं आता. You have to buy it separately. Apart from the accessory that I just mentioned, you're also getting an Explorer Scientific branded bag in which you can store your telescope. Not the accessories, it's only for the telescope. Now let me assemble this particular telescope. Let me take the bracket first. Find a bracket लीजिए. ये जो आपका telescope tube का ये जो finder shoe दिया हुआ है, you can directly slide fit this finder shoe onto the bracket, onto the finder shoe, the bracket onto the finder shoe and lock it. Now there is something special about this bracket. If you notice, see the shape over here. On this bracket, not only can you attach Explore Scientific brackets, but you can also attach any other brand of finder scopes that have a standard finder shoe fitting. ये जो top part है ना, the top part of the standard finder shoe fitting, and the bottom part, the bottom design is specific only to Explore Scientific finder brackets. ये मैंने finder bracket fit कर दिया है. Let me open these screws so that I can slide in the finder scope. Slide it in, start locking it. Evenly lock करिए सारे के सारे screws को. I've assembled the finder scope on the telescope. I will directly take the telescope tube and mount it on the telescopes, on the Twilight AZ mount. Lock करिए. This is a fantastic telescope, not only for visual astronomy, but even for entry-level astrophotography. Telescope is now assembled. I will now mount the 2-inch diagonal to it. ये इसका step down adapter जो साथ में ही आता है, ये 2 इंच का diagonal. I can directly fit it onto the focuser. This is a long focuser. Not only is this a long focuser, it also comes with a 10:1 ratio micro focuser. What does a micro focuser do? ये देखिए. Now, when I'm moving this focuser, it's moving really fast, right? When I'm rotating the knob, focuser बहुत fast घूम रहा है. Now, for example, आपने यहाँ पे eyepiece डाल के, you have got Saturn inside your eyepiece's view. Eyepiece के अंदर Saturn आ गया है, या कोई galaxy आ गया है. Now, after focusing the galaxy or a cluster, you want to further fine-tune that particular sharp focus. There is another micro focuser here. Now, when you turn this focuser, now see how fast I'm turning it. But look at the other bigger focuser. The other bigger focuser is rotating very slow. जब ये छोटा फोकसर 10 राउंड घूमता है, तब ये बड़ा वाला फोकसर 1 राउंड घूमता है. So I am technically rotating the focuser 10 times slower, which is called the micro focuser. I can get a micro movement and micro adjustment in my sharp focusing mechanism. This is one added advantage to a professional or a semi-professional telescope. All professional, even the ED grade of telescope, the high quality, the very expensive ED telescopes from William Optics ho ya SV Boni ho, they all come, or even the ZW ED scope, they all come with micro focusers. Explore Scientific in the 102 to 660 or 663 mm focal length have also given you the same CNC machined Crayford focuser with a additional micro focusing adjustment. Now, not only can you attach 2-inch eyepieces, 2-inch eyepiece साथ में नहीं आता, you have to buy it separately. Not only can you attach 2-inch eyepieces, you can also attach 2-inch Barlows to double the magnification. We have a range of 2-inch eyepieces from 15 mm to 26 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm, 50 mm. All these different eyepieces will give you different magnification power. I have explained in all my videos how to calculate the magnification power. You have to go to our website tejaraj.com. Eyepieces do not come with a telescope, so you will have to buy eyepieces, Barlows separately. The only thing that you are getting with the telescope is the telescope tube, the finder bracket, the finder scope, superb quality finder scope, and a 2-inch diagonal, which is also very advantageous. 2-inch diagonals are not cheap, they're very expensive, but they are coming with this telescope. And last but not the least, never to forget the 2-inch focuser rail that is coming with a micro focuser. Not only can you attach this telescope to the Twilight AZ mount, अभी मैंने ये वीडियो में I am talking about the Twilight AZ mount, which is why I have shown you this telescope mounted on the Twilight AZ mount. But you can attach the Explore Scientific 102 on a standard equatorial platform. May it be a go-to or a non-go-to, you can attach it on both and start astrophotography and visual astronomy. Coming on to a DSLR camera attachment, you can attach not only a standard DSLR camera to this particular telescope, but you can also attach the latest mirrorless cameras. Latest mirrorless cameras require a T2 adapter. First of all, you require a mirrorless steering. Apart from the mirrorless steering, you will also require a T2 adapter, 2-inch M42 thread. The M42 thread of T adapters only come in 2-inch sizes. 2-inch adapters can be easily fitted onto this focuser. Why? Because it is coming with a 2-inch focuser. Now, in my case, I have a standard DSLR camera. I have already attached the T-ring, which is an M42 T-ring. This is my M42 T-ring. Now, on the M42 T-ring, I have an option of either attaching a 1.25-inch T adapter, or I can directly buy an aftermarket T2 adapter of M42 thread. Here is an M42 thread. I have a large hole now that will gather all the light this telescope is allowing me to gather and directly capture it in my DSLR camera. This is how you attach a DSLR camera to this particular telescope. Start taking photographs. You can either buy a DSLR camera for astrophotography, or you can buy the ZW astrophotography cameras, planetary and deep space, and even the S3 Boni planetary and deep space cameras, and start your journey in astrophotography. Remember, for deep space astrophotography, you will require a professional go-to mount. Professional go-to mounts do not come with the telescope. You have to buy it separately. Right now, I am only explaining to you the Explorer Scientific 102 AR102 doublet refractor telescope and the Explorer Scientific 127 doublet refractor telescope, along with the Twilight 2 AZ adjustable mount and the heavy-duty stainless steel tripod. I hope you guys have all loved this video. Thank you very much. My name is Darshan Patel from Tej Rating Company. My WhatsApp number is 98339 74700 and my website address is www.tejrods.com. Please like us and subscribe. It takes us a lot of time and effort to make all these videos. We really appreciate your help and support. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.